Yeah, it was out of control. It seemed like in the second period there we had a lot of power plays, and then to start off the third they had a lot. And you got to be ready for anything. These kind of games, anything can happen, and I think we responded pretty well.
On that collision in front of the net, it looked like you bent over and were saying something to the disabled at that point. Do you remember that?
I'm not too sure.
I remember like yelling at him.
Probably just heat of the moment. I don't know.
It could have been.
Yeah, it just happens. Yeah, definitely a little bit different, but in the playoffs you got to be ready for anything and ready to kind of react and respond to what happens in the game, and it just shows a sign of a mentally tough team that can kind of fight through all that adversity.
How much did last year's playoff run help you individually in this year's playoff run?
I think a huge amount. I mean, going through last year, what we went through, and kind of seeing what guys did that had success and how they played and how I needed to play to have success, and it just kind of helped me build that confidence going into this year. Can you say that again? Yeah, well, I mean, we obviously didn't want to go down 2-0, so we had to kind of push back a little bit and respond well. And it's going to be two hard-fought games when we get there, and we're going to take it one day at a time.
It seems like you almost won in spite of your special teams play. You allowed 2 goals and 1 for 10 on the power play. I think that's fair.
I don't know. I mean, obviously, we'd like to vary a few more of those power play chances, and you know what, the guys are working hard out there on the PK, and sometimes bounces don't go your way, and I think we found a way to win, and that's the biggest part of the game. And I mean, not too much. I mean, we just needed to play our game and do our thing. I mean, make some adjustments out there, obviously, but at the same time, we know what we need to do to be successful.
It looked like you tightened it up. Did you guys play different style defensively in the first period?
I wouldn't say that. I mean, I think we did, like you said, just tightened it up a little bit and kind of bear down a little bit more.
We seem to play with a little bit of an extra boost streak. Does that kind of just come with the territory? Was that a conscious effort to go out there and play that way?
Yeah, I think in the playoffs, everyone's got to kind of raise that part of their game a little bit. Be really tough to play against, and obviously it's a long series against these guys, and you want to make it so when it gets in the later part of the series, guys on their team know they're going to get hit, and you're going to play hard on them, and you got to just keep doing that shift in and shift out.
Did you make a conscious effort to get closer in front of Miller tonight?
I don't know. I mean, I try to do that every game whenever there's an opportunity just to go in front of the net and create some havoc and have some good traffic there in front. So, I mean, I guess, I don't know if it was more so than any other game.